Hey guys, what is up? Today I'll show you how to fix stuck on loading screen after a champion select in League of Legends. Here are a few methods, hopefully one of them helps. Comment down below which one helps. So first thing you want to do is go to Task Manager, close anything Riot related, so basically Riot Client and Task. The Vanguard you can leave on. So next thing you're gonna do is right click on here, go open file location. You want to right click on Riot Client Services, go to Properties, go Compatibility, and enable Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an admin. Go back to Riot Games, click League of Legends, scroll down, find League Client. It's the one with 28,000 kilobytes. Right click on League Client, go Properties, go Compatibility, and enable these two. Disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Click OK, close. Next thing you can do is scroll up, go to Game here in League of Legends. Right click Properties, Compatibility here also. Enable these two, apply, OK. And hopefully it should work after this. If it doesn't work, here are a few other steps you can try. The next thing you can try is if you have Nvidia graphics card, you can open the Nvidia GeForce and then go to graphics, and here find League of Legends. As you can see, it's like not optimized, and just click here optimize and it should fix the game. It will switch your game to full screen. Then you can like switch it to borderless if you have more than one monitor, so you can tab out quickly. And after you optimize it, it should actually fix the issue. And the third method you can try is open search, type in graphics settings, head up here, add a new desktop app, and find League of Legends, click add. And it says already added, but once you add it, it should look like this: League of Legends client.exe, and then put it to high performance instead of power saving. And then for optimization should be ticked on also. And then restart your PC and it should help. Anyway, that's it from me today. If this helped, like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what helped, what didn't. And that's it. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.